Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix page isn't available right now on Facebook. So guys, if you try to open any of the page and then try to log in the Facebook and it's not working and you're getting the error like this may be because of technical error that we are working to get fixed. Try reloading this page. So you can also tap on this refresh button and then check if it's working or not. So you have to try 2 or 3 times to tap the refresh button and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the settings app and then you have to tap on Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to mobile data or vice versa and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings and scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage. In case of Android phone, you can search for app management. Anyway, you have to locate for the Facebook app and then offload the app and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then maybe there is problem in your browser. So guys, if you're using Chrome browser, then you have to open the Chrome browser, then tap on 3 lines and you can clear the history and website data of your Chrome browser. Okay guys, and after that guys, you can easily fix your issue. And if it's still not working for you guys, then you have to log out your account from Facebook and then log in again, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open the settings, then scroll it on, then tap on general. From here you have to update your device if you're using iPhone and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you can also delete the app from your phone and then restart your device and then reinstall the app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.